Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we're going to be making pressed flower lanterns. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services Desk at WPL while supplies last. Each kit includes one 7-ounce jar with a cork lid, one piece of twine that measures about 18 inches, a small pot of ModPodge Multi surface, we're using the gloss formula, one flat paintbrush, and an assortment of 7 to 8 pressed flowers. Start by taking your paintbrush and adding a thin layer of Mod Podge to a small section of your glass jar. Next, carefully take one of your pressed flowers and lay it on top of the Mod Podge. Then add a second thin layer over the top of the petals to set it in place. As you're painting on your Mod Podge, try to get all of your brush strokes to go in the same direction. By the end of the project, your entire jar should have a layer of Mod Podge over it. Just a quick side note, if you prefer that your jar has a more frosted look, Mod Podge does make a matte version that will give you that effect. Here you'll see I'm just going to continue the process, laying down a layer of Mod Podge, setting down my pressed flower, and then putting a layer over top of it. For the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the process in this video, but you get the idea. You're going to want to give your jar at least 20 minutes to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once dry, tie your twine around the top of the jar and finish with a bow. Add a small candle and enjoy.